Hey, what's up, Chad? I be running through them red lights, I don't stop at night. I got demons and they out for me, they coming for my life. I don't stop at night. It's Marley Miss. I be running through them red lights, I don't stop at night. I got demons and they out for me.
Man, you already know who it is. This is your boy Pablo Savage 392 out here with the gang and shit. We hanging out, man, you know what I'm saying? My dog Sir, he ready to start his thing up, you know what I'm saying? I ain't gonna tell you what that thing is. You gotta go to his channel, hit that sub button so you can see what he got coming. But I pull up because I finna take him to the plug. That's what I call it, the plug, you know what I'm saying? He going to meet the plug. Man, he hop out the car. My boy got that thing on, you know what I'm saying, bro?
Hey, look, y'all already know PabloSavage.com is in full effect, you know what I'm saying? So y'all trying to get some of this merch right here, man. I'm telling y'all, I was just saying that on my video. The way this feel, man, I like it, man. It's light, you know what I'm saying? Especially in this Florida heat. You don't want nothing heavy. You don't want that thick ass cotton, you know what I'm saying, to make you feel all sticky. I like the way this fit. And to be honest with you, I done had this for, what, about a month now? And I don't wash it and everything. It holds up the washing, it don't shrink, none of that. Like, the fit is perfect. I love it, man.
Yes, sir.
Get you that merch, man.
Yes, sir. But we out here, man. My dog is coming towards, it's getting to that time where he finna have to get on that road and head to Cali, play the slow music, what's the violin? You know what I'm saying? But it's cool, cause we stay connected, we locked in, we lifers, bro. What I call a lifer is somebody I know I'm gonna have around in my life for a long, long time. And that's my brother, man. Short amount of time. I don't even think it's been a year, and that's my brother. And what I mean by that is like, you just meet genuine people, they solid, they real, they up front with you. And when you got somebody like that, you hold on to those type of people.
First time I met this motherfucker was in Tampa. We ended up going down to the Super Bowl car show in Tampa when we linked up with SRTBREE and all them. Big shout out to Bree. But that was my first time actually meeting him in person. You know what I'm saying? I don't follow him on YouTube and stuff like that, but in person, that was my first time since February.
Yeah. And y'all can go back and watch that video because we was cutting up. That highway run was cutting up. Running into everybody was cutting up, you know what I'm saying? Don't touch that bit though. Yeah, don't touch that bit. But yeah, y'all see that rain back there, them dark clouds back there? We trying to get this done though. I just want to get this video rolling for my dog. Bruh, this crazy. Hey. I did want to plug this though. He done did his brake color. Y'all know I've been crying about that forever. And look, and he got that. You know, I'm jelly.
Actually, that got done a long time ago.
It's been, oh, no, I highlight that in videos.
Oh, okay.
Cause it looked, like when we was coming back from Savannah, that shit looked so good, bruh. It just glowed. You be like, damn, that bit hit.
I actually want to switch them out because I don't know what brand it is, but they got like a dual LED strip in that joint. Oh, that's the one you get? Ah, that's gonna be shit nice.
Big Daytona gonna have that thing, brother. Big Daytona gonna have that thing. Hey, I've been trying to get him. I got him. I'm trying to put him in.
Oh, yeah.
I've been trying to tell you. Hey, and I got the idea from Josh.
You better hit us snacks while you can. When he popped them in for me, so it literally took him like 10 minutes.
Okay.
10 minutes.
Okay.
Like, I mean, the only thing is, like on the front, you don't have to really worry about it because you're not rocking 22, but you
just turn the tire.
The front ones are easy. The back one is kind of a pain in the butt, but you can get it done.
Oh yeah, it's coming, bro. Big dually on that.
White knuckle, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, but my dog.
We about to get this thing going, man, because this motherfucker not looking right now, and I ain't trying to get struck by lightning.
Bit fast. It is cutting up out here though. But yeah, man, I just want to make sure we get on here. I was on the phone talking instead of working, so that's why I ain't have my video already rolling. He pull up camera. I'm like, man, I'm asleep.
Man, look. I had to because I drive out today Thursday. I drive out Sunday. Okay. So the chance of me actually being able to link with you in person between now and Sunday is probably slim. So I was like, you know what? The least I can do, even if this is a short video, you know what I'm saying? Go ahead and do this for the one last time.
Okay.
I don't want to say one last time, like, I ain't never coming back and like my dog Pop. Y'all seen the tour on his IG. My dog got a whole tour schedule. Like, I've been asleep. Yo, I ain't gonna front. If y'all see a tour schedule posted on IG of me, my dog Paulo inspired me to do it. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna give credit where credit is due. He inspired me to do it. So I'm waiting on that tour schedule to say Cali, cause when my dog come out to Cali, oh, it's gonna be lit.
It's gonna be a movie.
Well, like he said, it's gonna be a banger.
Hey. But listen, see this rain, I'm gonna switch it up. I'm being followed by my guy Sert, man. We on our way to the plug. You know what I'm saying? Trying to get that sauce package ready for you guys. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all go over to his channel, hit that bell notification, like, comment, subscribe, all that good jazz, you know what I'm saying? Run it up for my bro, man. He gonna be out there Cali grinding. I know he gonna be grinding, so y'all check him out, hit him up, tell him Pablo sent you. You know what I'm saying? Hey man, like he said, man, y'all check out the website too. Go check out pablosavage.com. Grab you a piece of that merch, you know what I'm saying? I got some lit colorways on that thing, man. I'm pretty sure y'all can find some shoes to go with it, man. Put a little fit together, man. Stop playing on my top, man. Y'all already know, man. We going to all 2021. Gang, gang. This rain going. So, gang, we done made it to the shop now. Like I told y'all, if you need any type of digital print or you want your merch printed out, check out recordline.com. Hit them up. You hit that bit hard, didn't you? I didn't either. It just popped. It was two of them. I like, what the fuck? Did I see you slow down? Like, oh, he must have hit that bit hard.
Yeah, that shit kind of expensive. And I started like looking at my tire pressures, making sure I didn't pop the tire or something. And I was just trying to like pay attention to the car to make sure it wasn't like swaying. And I was like, well, I guess I'm good. But yeah, I hit that bit hard.
Sheesh. Hey, pothole people, listen.
The thing is, Jacksonville owns everyone in alignment, bro.
But yeah, man, make sure y'all hit recordline.com or call. I'm finna let y'all talk to Gwee, so Gwee can tell y'all what the number is. Get all the information you need for when you want to make your orders. Is it open? Oh, it's open. Gee, what's happening, brother?
What's going on, Papa?
Chilling, man. You all right?
I'm all right.
Hey, man, I just tell them where we at Recordline right now. If you need that merch, hit them up at recordline.com, or you can call
631-796-0363. You put
Yes,
me on
sir.
the spot. Hey,
What's
man,
going
how
on,
are
big
you?
man? How you doing? Good.
That's my brother, certified. Guido, certified. Yeah. Yes, sir.
Where we at? Tell them where we at, man.
We're over at Racky Line. We make the magic happen. We got the sauce. You know, we make pearl printing, digital printing, embroidery. We make
Pearl printing. I've never even heard of that.
It's lit. It's lit.
Pearl printing. I'm gonna have to YouTube that when I
stickers. We got some stickers.
Okay, I remember seeing this in Paulo's video. You know what I'm saying? You press the little button and everything.
Yeah. I was excited too. You know, that first merch drop, it was lit. You know what I'm saying?
Alright, I'm gonna get back with y'all. Actually, I'm gonna lay this out real quick. Show you guys what I got so far. What I'm trying to actually.
But yeah, man, like I said, recordline.com. Chill, cuz. All right. Bro, listen. Y'all know I'm a clown, bro, but it's done. I don't know. You want them to see this?
Bro, I'm getting to my camera right now.
Okay, I'm talking about my people.
Listen,
This is exclusive.
You can wear it, and you got a mirror.
Hey, look. So check this out, man. My boy certified that came in. He met the plug, and I showed him the plug. So he talked to the plug that's know the plug. You know what I'm saying? 2 times over. You know what I'm saying? We out here in these streets.
Hey,
I'm gonna let
to
y'all.
get an exclusive.
Big pressure too. Ooh, wait.
They ain't even seen this on my channel yet, and y'all know how Paulo
Y'all ready?
dropping them videos and them bangers.
Y'all ready?
So y'all probably gonna see this before it even drop on my channel.
Y'all ready?
You know what I'm saying?
That bag hard though.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie.
That bag hard. Y'all ready? Ta-da!
So y'all already know how cost me nothing.
Don't cost you nothing.
Just click that red button.
Right there, man.
Yes, sir. I'm telling y'all, man.
Yes, sir.
The new exclusive. And to show y'all real quick, man, the idea came from this. So I'm pretty sure some of y'all probably seen me rock this around Jacksonville. I actually wore this at the Cars and Coffee. This was the initial idea, or prototype. Sorry, not the idea. This was the prototype. You already started recording on now. All right. So this was the initial prototype that I wanted everybody to see. But my man's over here dropped my actual idea and brought it to life, man.
Pressure. Pressure.
You the GOAT. You the GOAT, man. I'm telling you. Real talk, man. I'm about to premiere show this. Hey, don't do that thing. Don't do that thing. You know what I'm saying? Like, big shout out to Rack and Line. You know what I'm saying? I'm telling y'all, the merch is coming to the channel soon. I'm working on the whole website thing. We've been chopping it up behind the scenes and whatnot. So stay posted because merch is coming soon, and this is going to be the official merch for the channel. Like, he brought my idea to life. Like, real talk, he brought this is exactly what I had in mind. I'm gonna give y'all this again, and then I'm gonna give y'all this again.
Pressure.
Real talk. Let me know in the comments what y'all think, man. Definitely let me know in the comments what y'all think, but this is gonna be the official merch for the channel.
Hey, on camera though, y'all, I ain't gonna cap that emoji pointing at you look kind of, it's legit.
Yeah.
It's legit, bro.
So real quick, I'm gonna do it on camera, give y'all an insight on camera of where the idea came from. So if y'all been following me on my channel, y'all notice that on my thumbnails, I always use emojis for the most part. I'm gonna say 95% of my videos have emojis on the thumbnails. So I was like, you know what? I like emojis, so why not use that in my merch? You know what I'm saying? To kind of stay true to the channel. So when I did this, they didn't have the emoji, you know what I'm saying, that I was looking for. So my man's over here. My man's over here had exactly what I was looking for. So I'm telling y'all, man, he brought my idea to life, man. Like I'm looking at it in the mirror right now, and I love it. I love it, man. Don't mind the white shirt, because I just threw this on top.
Facts.
So,
He look like a
like a priest. But nah, I just do this on top of the shirt, you know what I'm saying? And the quality, you know what I'm saying, the material feels nice, you know what I'm saying? So I think this is something, it even fits nice. So I wear a large, you know what I'm saying? So for this, I like the way it fits. It doesn't feel hot, even though it's on top of another shirt. It don't feel hot, and I really like it, man. Like, I can see you can dress this up and down. You know what I'm saying? This can be casual wear. This can actually be dressed up with some chinos. You know what I'm saying? Throw some little loafers or something on. You know what I'm saying? If you wanna go out with your shorty, you know what I'm saying, and support the merch and show her that you rock with certified. You know what I'm saying? You might be lucky.
This guy here, he just went full blown. Yes, sir,
Big
man.
shout out to Rack and Line, man. Y'all see it. Y'all see it.
That's G right there, holding the camera. Y'all
Yes,
know
sir.
what I'm saying? We
Yes,
in this
sir.
thing, man. I'm happy though, y'all. I'm happy. There you go, brother. Appreciate it.
So real talk, what you think, man? Like,
That's lit. I'm ready to get my shirt. So when you put them up for sale, I'm still recording. Yep. When you put them up for sale, I'm gonna put my order in and make sure I grab one of the things. Cause y'all know we gotta support everybody. Cause everybody going up all 2021. You know what I'm saying? We got the GOAT. What happened? We waiting on the GOAT shirt.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. He got it. That's the GOAT. So we gonna let him make a GOAT shirt.
Supporter, you know what I'm saying? First man's to rock the merch. First one.
Hey.
And then my second one.
You already know I gotta get that sauce. You know what I'm saying? Half stepping, just like that. They be like, oh, hey. And the sleepy socks. But nah, man, we in this thing, man. Everybody got this thing cracking, man. Like I told y'all before, man, we are going up all 2021. So with that being said, man, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video right here, man. Thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far into the video, I appreciate you. Make sure you leave a comment down there in the comment section. Hit that like button, man. And most of all, tell them one time.
Man, look, like I tell everybody, it don't cost me nothing. It don't cost you nothing. Just click that red button and let's go.
G, you got something you want to say to my people?
You gotta support Pablo.
Facts. Hey!
You just did something there. I like what he did there. You gotta support Pablo. He's a savage.
Hey! Don't forget to hit up recceline.com. You know what I'm saying? It go back to the beginning. He'll give you the phone number. Check it out. Hit him up. Tell him Pablo sent you. Tell him Certified sent you now. Hey, cause we all plugged in around here, baby. You know what I'm saying? Umbrella. Let's go.